Hello guys, my name is Mohammed Salman and this video is on assignment of SKYFI Labs course. The course name is Foundation Analysis and Design. So what we are going to do is in this video we are going to show the results. We are going to analyze the mat foundation and we are going to show the results if it is safe or not. So till now what we do, let me give a brief description. What we did is we have defined the material properties. Then in material properties, we have defined the concrete which we are going to use and type of bar which we are going to use. For your information, we have used M40 concrete and we have selected HYSD 500 bars. The second thing after that what we are going to do is we are going to define the slab properties. Slab properties is nothing but we are going to define the thickness of the slab and type of concrete which is associated in the slab. That is the thing we are going to define in this thing. The next thing what we do is after defining of the slab properties, we go to the draw option and we draw here the slabs by selecting this draw slab option. This slab is drawn according to the calculations which is shown in the SKYFI course. The next thing what we do is we draw the strip lines. What are these strip lines? These strip lines are the lines which connect the columns in a straight line. So we draw this strip lines according to the SKYFI course calculation. Okay. After drawing of this strip lines, what we do is we place the columns. In our project, we have two types of columns. C1, which is 500 mm by 500 mm, and the second one is the column which is 600 by 600 mm. These columns are placed according to the loads and the requirement. Where there is higher load, we are going to place a larger column. Okay. Now, after placement of the column, what we do is we define the soil property. In soil property, how we have to define is we have to go and select the design soil subgrade properties. After selection of this property, a pop-up will come. This it Here I have already decided. Here I have already selected this soil one and I have modified it and I have provided its values right here. Select here, okay, and okay. After defining of the soil property, what we are going to do is we are going to apply the loads on each column. These data of the loads acting on the column, this data is directly imported from the etabs and you have to tabulate it on Excel or any other Word document, and accordingly we have to place the loads. Note here, each column will have different loads from column C1 to the column C16. Each column has different dead load and different life load, so we have to assign it. We select this column and we go here right here, load data, select point load and assign it. Okay, that is done. After that, we are going to run analysis and design. I have assigned the loads for each column. So right here we are going to do analysis and design. We are going to select this run option. Now it is analyzing the structure. Now it have analyzed the structure. Now we are going to see the result. For seeing of this result, the save software automatically it shows the result in terms of displacement. But what we require is we don't require the displacement, we require show punching shear design. We require punching shear ratio. Right here we can see different values. Foundation is safe when the punching shear design is less than 1. But right here we don't have less than 1 for many of the columns. So what we are going to do, we have to remodify it. So what we have to remodify is we have to remodify the thickness of the slab. So we are going to first unlock this model, then go to the define slab properties right here, and in this mat footing slab you have to modify this option. Previously I have provided 500 mm thickness. Right now I am providing 200 mm thickness. Select OK and OK. Now again go and run the analysis and design option. Now it is analyzing. Now we have to display the result in terms of punching shear. ratio. Right now we can see here is what we can see here is the ratio, each ratio is less than 1. Not even a single ratio is greater than 1. If it was if it was to be greater than 1, then we have to again redesign it by using a greater depth of the slab. Okay, now here we have checked all the columns. Yes, is there any? Yes, it's clear. So this mat foundation is safe for the design. Now we have completed the analysis. Now we will go and select the design option. After selection of the design option, what we get is we'll get the detailing charts and tables. Using this chart and tables, what we do is we provide it on the site, which will be quite helpful for placement and placement of the rebars. So this is how we do it, guys. So this is a small assignment video, so I'm not going to explain everything in detail. And about the course, I want to give a feedback regarding the course. This course is really helpful for the students like me. I'm a fresher civil engineering student, so it have enhanced my skills, as well as I have learned to use this safe software. It is one of the important software for civil engineers and especially for structural engineers. I recommend this course to every single civil engineer. It is well structured and it is full of knowledge. And I would like to thank the SKYFI Labs for providing such courses at cheap prices. Thank you.